Okay, so I probably need to zoom out just a bit. Although, can you see how this looks through the camera lens?
It's okay.
So what we have here is that a plus b times b plus c times c plus a over abc equals 9. Thickened up a little bit. That's on the inside here. And then I have the second curve or surface that got added on the outside. That's the a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed plus ab a plus b. That cyclic sum divided by a plus c equals 12.
All right.
And this was the maximum value. So what do you notice about the shape now? What do you see here?
It looks sort of the same. I mean, the same threefold symmetry and all, but it looks like it's a little steeper. And it does intersect with the original at these corner bits.
Ah, okay. So it seems like we have some intersections. And the threefold symmetry is coming into play because how many intersections do we have?
3.
3. Okay. And tell me what's happening at those intersections with the two curves. Or the two surfaces, I mean.
Well, they're just sort of like blending together.
Yeah. That's a good way to say it, actually. They're blending together. Why? Why do you think that's happening?
Like maybe that's where the maximum value is.
Okay.
Like, cause then these equations would have the same value.
Ah, okay. When we found the maximum value of this equation, which we found to be 12, it occurred somehow when the surfaces were intersecting. And they were blending together there. The math word for that is their tangent.
Yeah.
There.
All right.
And they somehow ended up having the same value along those, along where they were tangent. What is it? What's the shape where you think they're tangent? What do you think that shape looks like if I only showed where they were tangent? Although I'm not going to do that, but if I only showed you where they were tangent, what do you think the tangent looks like? The set of points where they're tangent.
I think it looks like 3 lines, and it'd be like 3 lines converging on each other.
Yeah, 3 lines converging down to the origin. All right.
All right.
So now I'm going to change the expression, the second one, to be equal to, what was it, 45/4?
Yeah.
All right.
And then maybe it'll.
What do you think it's going to look like now?
I think it'll connect right at these tips here.
It'll connect at the other 3 points. And what do you think is going to happen at our other points where they used to be tangent?
They
They're not
won't
gonna
be
be
anymore.
tangent.
Won't be tangent anymore. Okay, so we'll do that again with the camera off, and then just take a look when after it finishes printing or not printing, plotting.